Very good morning, everybody. We have been discussing the chapter regarding functions of human resource management, and today we shall discuss the third category of functions of human resource management, which are advisory functions. We have already discussed managerial functions of HRM and core functions of HRM. Today we shall discuss advisory functions of human resource management. As we know that HR manager of the company or any organization is a very reputed and prestigious post. HR manager himself or herself is recognized or considered a person who has specialized education in human resource management or human resource development. He has long experience in training regarding human resource management, and he is also considered as an expert over human resource related issues. He is a person who is the first and foremost who can give very insightful and very crucial advice related to HR matters or human resource issues. So here we consider that HR manager, HR department or HRM has also one more category of functions which are called advisory functions. And here, because the HR manager being a specialized trained expert person of his particular field, so he can give and he gives very important and crucial advice not only to top management but also other departments as and when required. So here we can categorize advisory functions of HRM or human resource department or people or staff or as well as manager into two categories. One is advice to top management and second advice to other departments. So here we have advice to top management we will discuss today. So human resource management is all about managing human resources, but if top management requires some information related to personnel policies and programs, this advice can be provided by HR manager. So personnel policies and programs, what's going on in the company regarding what are the these advice. Top management could seek advice related to formulation and evaluation of personnel programs, policies, and various HR procedures which are going on. It's almost kind of feedback kind of practice which can be sought by top management. So it is the duty of HR manager to give advice related to such matters. On the other side, if top management requiring advice related to achieving and maintaining good human relations and also keeping morale of the employees high, it is also the duty of the HR department for maintaining good relations and achieving. And regarding maintaining good relations and regarding maintaining good employees morale, what HR department itself is doing, what programs, policies, procedures and practices are going on regarding all these things, and what new things should be implemented, could be put in practice for time being or time to come. All such kind of related matters, advice can be given to top management by HR manager. Now, one more very important part here also that top management generally is very much concerned, that is called industrial relations, IR issues. What are the IR matters and issues because large organizations, a lot of people are working, employ thousands of workers and daily wages are working there. There are some of the other issues on day by day. There are trade unions and their demands and then negotiation, collective bargainings and also kind of lot of issues are there. So what is happening inside? Top management can require vital information regarding managing industrial relations from HR department or HR manager. So here HR manager or HR department becomes very crucial when it comes to maintaining and managing industrial relations. Next we'll discuss last point next class. Thank you.